Hi everyone, in this tutorial I want to teach you all about speed ramping. So first let's take a look at the video that I chose. I chose the video where I'm juggling 3 basketballs into a pop shot basketball hoops. And I thought, suppose I want to either speed up or slow down certain parts. Well, let's say that some part of the video I wanted to either speed up or slow down. Like maybe around here, and then it will go up till here. And so this part that I'm highlighting here is the part I either want to speed up or slow down. So I made 2 cuts just to isolate that part. And I could go to speed. I could do that by pressing Control R2. But I could either slow it down or I could speed it up, depending. So if I slow it down, this is how it would look. And if I speed it up, this is how it would look. And that one really is exaggerated, which proves my point, that if you see right here, when it's sped up, it kind of looked like a hard transition from normal speed to fast speed. So speed ramping can help you smoothly speed up or speed down, and this is how you do it. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z or undo everything that I just did. I'm going to go to speed ramping right here, and it has different types right here. So let's choose montage, and I'm going to explain this chart in a second, but let's look at what this does. Okay, so it doesn't like cut and jump from 1 times normal speed to like 6.8 times. It gradually goes up to 6.8 times, and then it gradually goes down to this, which is 0.3 times, and instead of like a hard jump. And if you're into science, that would be kind of like the quantum leap, or if you're into algebra, that's kind of like piecewise functions. Instead of that, let's go to calculus, if you will, and just think of this as like a smooth increase from here to there. I know you don't need calculus for Filmora, I'm just saying. Well, you just saw how that looked, and to me personally, it didn't really look like the best in the world. So you again have all these different options. So this is the hero moment. This is what it would look like. Slows down in the middle and then speeds up at the end. So the options are basically endless. It's not just these right here, you know, like bullet time, jumper, flash in, flash out and such, but you could actually customize everything. So suppose somewhere around this part, suppose I want to slow it down, so I could just click this right here and I could slow it down manually like this. And then adjust as needed, or I could speed it up if I want, however you want, however you prefer. And you could also add more if you want by pressing the plus button right here. So you could add different parts of the video, and it could go up to 10 times speed or negative 10 times speed, or in other words 10 times slow. You could save this as custom. You could add however many you want. And you could also zoom in and zoom out. So again, it's endless. You could also add a freeze frame for however many seconds you want. You could apply it, and that just creates a freeze frame right here where the video literally pauses for whatever reason you want a video to be paused, and then it just continues after the selected amount of time. So that is speed ramping. Again, it allows the speed of the video to smoothly go slower or faster in lieu of like harsh cuts. So I hope that was helpful. If you would like to try Wondershare yourself, I'm leaving a link to their website in the description below, and there you could download a free version, and if you like it, you could purchase it.